A little video here of the conditions in Pensacola, Florida. We're actually on the west side of Pensacola in Inner Point. Last little bit of mainland before we go over the bridge to Perdido, Florida. It's 29th of January, about 8:30 in the morning. Everything's pretty frozen up. Our loquat tree, the crop of fruit on it, probably lose that crop of fruit. You can see it's frozen solid. A little bit of kind of like snow on the ground. It's more like just ice. It's very, very slick. Let's get a video in without falling down. Our pecan tree. Oh yeah, the rocks in the yard are all frozen. Pecan tree here. With ice on it. Walk around a little bit, walk over to the canal. Take a look here. It's all very slick, it's all coating of ice on everything. Car, iced over. Lived here since 1981. It's the first time I've ever seen anything like this. Perdido paddleboard truck here. Probably not going to be doing any paddleboarding today. My rack's all covered with ice. I'll walk down a little bit here. There's a road. This is Canal Drive. Our garbage here is not getting picked up, of course. Everything's pretty much closed. All the interstate bridges are closed. The bridge going over to Perdido, which I'll show you in just a second, is closed down. No traffic allowed on it. Around over to my neighbor's house here. Shoot a video going across the canal, the intercoastal waterway. Oh, this is all just frozen solid. And this is all pretty unusual. I'll get a shot of the bridge and then end the video. It's supposed to get about 12 o'clock today. It's supposed to get above freezing. All this will melt off pretty fast. The big oak tree is all frozen up. All frozen. Get a shot of the bridge here. There's the intercoastal waterway. There's Bar's Bridge going over to Perdido Key. No traffic on it. It's closed. When it gets a little bit warmer, we'll do a driving video. Drive around a little bit, but in the show, it does get cold and freeze in Pensacola. I guess about once in a lifetime. All right, well, thanks for watching.